Okay, Buddy's pretty excited. Everybody's going to want to call the ASPCA. I'm about ready to do some animal abuse. I'm going to make Buddy wait to eat this treat for a very long time, as long as I can. We'll see how well Buddy has self-control. Buddy, wait. Buddy, no. Sorry, but I didn't mean to scare you. You need to wait, buddy. She lasted about a minute on that. Buddy, come here. Buddy, come back. Thank you, buddy. Shh, stay down. All right, eat it. Go ahead, eat it. Yeah, go ahead, buddy. Yeah. I said go ahead, buddy. Yeah, eat it. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, eat it. Eat it, buddy. Eat it. It's okay, buddy. She's never waited that long, so she's probably wondering, can I? Yes, eat it, buddy. Go ahead, eat it, buddy. I just wondered how long it would take for Buddy to where she would go ahead and eat it without being able to. Thanks, buddy. You did a really good job, buddy. Thank you, bud.